Hi, and welcome. As a new vendor for theMarkeplace.biz, you're eager to set up your products and begin selling your items in your store. So follow these steps to log into your back office. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to use the link and the credentials provided in the email that you received after your website was created. What we're going to do is enter our link, which is going to take you to your back office login page, and here's where you're going to want to enter your credentials that were provided in the email. If you do not enter your credentials properly, then this login sheet will wiggle back and forth. For instance, if I don't include all of the letters of my password, you'll see there it is. So make sure that you enter your password and username correctly. Whoops. See, I didn't even do it. There we are. And once you've entered your credentials correctly, then it will bring you to the dashboard of your back office for theMarkeplace.biz. Congratulations, you've now logged into your website.